Starting a business in today's world doesn't have to be expensive. With the right investment in powerful small-scale machinery, you can tap into highly profitable opportunities without breaking the bank. These machines not only streamline operations, but also improve efficiency, allowing business owners to stay on track and consistently achieve their goals. In this video, we'll explore 12 unique business machines that can help you build a successful venture with minimal investment. Whether you're looking to enter the food industry, manufacturing, or tech repair, these machines offer innovative solutions to help your business thrive. Let's dive in. Phone glass polishing machine. Cracked or scratched phone screens can be expensive to replace, but with a phone glass polishing machine, you can restore them to their original clarity. This machine is designed to remove scratches, scuffs, and minor damages from smartphone screens, making it an essential tool for phone repair businesses. By using advanced polishing technology, it smooths out imperfections and revitalizes the screen without requiring a full replacement. The demand for phone repair services is consistently growing as people prefer repairing their devices rather than spending money on new ones. With easy-to-use operation and quick results, a phone glass polishing machine can attract more customers and boost profits. Whether you're an established repair professional or looking to add a new service to your business, this machine is a game changer in the mobile repair industry. Liquid food packaging machine. If you're planning to start a food-related business, a liquid food packaging machine is a must-have investment. This machine efficiently fills and seals liquids such as milk, juices, sauces, and oils into bags, bottles, or cartons. One of its biggest advantages is its ability to ensure hygienic and airtight packaging, which preserves freshness and extends shelf life. Manual packaging can be time-consuming and inconsistent, but this automated system guarantees perfectly sealed products every time. Many advanced models come with adjustable filling capacities, allowing you to package different volumes according to your business needs. With the rising demand for packaged food and beverages, investing in efficient packaging equipment can give your business a competitive edge, ensuring longer-lasting freshness and improved customer satisfaction. Plastic crushing machine. The plastic crushing machine is an essential tool for businesses involved in recycling and waste management. This powerful machine efficiently shreds and crushes plastic waste into small, manageable pieces, making it easier to recycle and reuse. Whether you're dealing with plastic bottles, containers, or packaging materials, this machine helps reduce waste volume and promotes sustainability. With the growing global demand for eco-friendly solutions, investing in a plastic crusher can be a profitable business opportunity. Recycling plants, waste management companies, and manufacturing industries rely on these machines to process plastic waste efficiently. Whether you want to start a small-scale recycling unit or expand an existing business, a plastic crushing machine is a valuable investment that supports profitability and sustainability. Cake decorating machine. For bakers and pastry chefs, the cake decorating machine is a game changer. Whether you're a home baker or own a professional bakery, this machine makes designing cakes effortlessly, allowing you to create stunning patterns, pipe icing with precision, and even print edible images on cakes. With automated decorating, you can complete more cakes in less time, increasing production capacity and profits. It's perfect for making birthday cakes, wedding cakes, and custom desserts for special occasions. Many businesses invest in these machines to offer personalized cakes, which are always in high demand. By investing in a cake decorating machine, you ensure professional quality cakes with consistency, saving both time and effort. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this machine is a must-have for modern baking. Mini portable printer. A mini portable printer is an incredibly useful gadget for business professionals, students, and event organizers. This compact wireless device connects to laptops, tablets, or phones via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, allowing you to print documents, labels, invoices, and even high-quality photos anytime, anywhere. Some models use thermal printing technology, which means you don't even need ink. Whether you're in a cafe, a meeting, or traveling, a portable printer ensures quick and reliable printing on demand. Its affordability and convenience make it a must-have device for professionals who need to print on the go, helping businesses run more efficiently. Spiral potato fries machine. Who doesn't love crispy, spiral-cut fries? The spiral potato fries machine is a fantastic investment for restaurants, food trucks, and snack stands looking to serve unique and visually appealing fries. This machine spiralizes potatoes into uniform, curly shapes, making them perfect for deep frying and seasoning. These fun fries not only look great, but also cook evenly, giving them the perfect crispy texture that customers love. With the rising demand for street food, spiral fries have become a customer favorite. Whether served with cheese, spices, or dips, they stand out from traditional fries, attracting more customers and boosting sales. Ribbon printing machine. The ribbon printing machine is a fantastic tool for businesses involved in branding, event decorations, and gift wrapping. It prints custom text, logos, and designs onto satin and polyester ribbons, adding a professional and personalized touch. Using heat transfer or inkjet technology, it produces smudge-proof, long-lasting prints, making it perfect for wedding decorations, gift shops, and corporate branding services. With the increasing demand for customized products, this machine can help your business stand out and attract more customers. Traveling concrete machine. For those in construction, a traveling concrete machine is a game changer. This portable machine mixes and pours concrete directly on site, eliminating the need for costly pre-mixed deliveries. It is ideal for road construction, bridge building, and remote projects where transporting ready-mix concrete is inefficient. Unlike stationary mixers, it can be easily transported between locations, ensuring fresh concrete is always available, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. Cup sealing machine. If you own a juice bar, bubble tea shop, or fast food restaurant, a cup sealing machine is essential for delivering high-quality beverages. This machine seals plastic and paper cups with airtight, leak-proof film, ensuring drinks remain fresh and spill-free. With the rising demand for takeaway beverages, investing in a cup sealing machine enhances hygiene, reduces spills, and improves packaging efficiency. A must-have for any growing beverage business. Button badge maker. A button badge maker is an excellent tool for branding, promotions, and events. Whether for corporate marketing, schools, or custom accessories, this machine quickly produces high-quality badges with logos, slogans, or unique designs. It's a low-cost investment with high profit potential, making it ideal for those looking to start a customized promotional items business. 3D chocolate printer. The 3D chocolate printer allows businesses to create custom chocolate designs, intricate sculptures, and edible decorations. It is widely used in luxury bakeries, confectionery shops, and gourmet restaurants, helping chefs craft unique, high-end desserts. For home-based or professional bakers, this machine elevates creativity and enhances business opportunities. Meat chip production machine. With the growing demand for protein-rich snacks, a meat chip production machine is an excellent investment. It slices, seasons, and dehydrates meat, creating crispy, high-protein snacks like beef jerky and fish chips. Perfect for supermarkets, online stores, and specialty food shops, this machine ensures efficiency, hygiene, and high production output, a great opportunity in the booming, health-conscious snack industry. Each of these business machines offers a profitable opportunity in a growing industry. Investing in the right equipment can help you build a successful business with minimal startup costs. Which of these machines caught your interest? Let us know in the comments.